Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to use disintegrating effect with double roll in Kinemaster. Now, to get started, click on Add, then select the aspect ratio of your screen. Okay, now to import your footage, you need to click on the media, then select your footage. Okay, now that you have imported your footage, the next thing for you to do now is to import the same footage as a layer. And to do this, click on Layer, Media, then select the same footage you import. Okay, now you have two clips, one as a video background, then the other as a video layer. Okay, now that you have the video layer, then we need to make it the other side of the screen. By doing this, click on the layer, select split screen, then choose the other side. And by doing this, we make the video appear in one side and the video layer appear on the other side. And what we've done so far is a basic steps to achieve a decent double roll effect. Now it remains the disintegrating effect. And to begin with the disintegrating effect, we need to capture this single frame into our folder. And to do this, we need to click on the video layer we added, then go to the alpha opacity, then bring down the value to 0. By doing this, we make the video layer fade out. And to capture this frame, we need to go to capture icon, then select capture and save. By doing this, we make the image save into our SD folder. And the next step for us to do now is to cut out the actor from this image you saved. And to do this, you need to go to your folder, then select the video you saved, then click on edit. You can use any tool you can use better to cut out the actor from the scene. In this case, I go for Photoshop. You can do a clean cut out or you can go for a rough one. It doesn't matter. It will work well for it. Okay, now that we have done cutting out the image, the next thing for us to do now is to shatter the image. Then click on edit. And to do this time, I'm going for PixArt. Then click option, then select edit, then choose PixArt. Okay, select the video you want to cut out, then click on tools. Okay, select dispersion, then draw a mask around where you want the effect to take place. Okay, like so. Then click on OK, then play around with the settings. Okay, and after you are happy with the way it looks, then you can click OK, then save the image. And make sure you disintegrate the image more than 5 with different variation so that you can animate it in Kinemaster. Okay, now back to Kinemaster. Okay, now that we are back in Kinemaster, don't forget to bring back the opacity of the video layer we brought down. Now to do this, click to layer, then click on the alpha opacity, then bring back the opacity to 100% so that the video layer can appear back to the scene. Okay, now for the effect to work, we need an empty background where our actors is not visible in the frame. So now we need to extend the video clip to where our actors is not visible, then capture it and capture as a movie clip. By doing this, we add a movie clip from the video we extend. Okay, now we need to cut the unused frame out so that we can make a room for the empty shot. Okay, now we need to import the disintegration effect we did with PixArt and import it back to the empty frame. Now to do this, click on layer, media, then select PixArt and import the image. Okay, like I said earlier, you need to save more than 5 disintegrated image from PixArt so that you can use that to animate the effect. Okay guys, by adding more images you can get a better result, and this is how to do the disintegration effect with double effect in Kinemaster. So thanks for watching guys, and see you all in my next video.